Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube video. My name is Devon and today we're going to be making a calculator in Code.org app lab. So we're first going to rename it to calculator app. And then we're going to go to design first. We'll put 4 buttons. Like this. Okay, so they are all equal. Like this is 195 for the X position. This is 195, like button 4. And this is 15 for the X position. So they're all the same. So now we're going to change the text to add. And then we'll put brackets. Just like that. Then we'll also put the ID as add. And you'll do the same thing, but now where the button is, but now you're going to put it as subtract and multiplication and division. So here we're going to put subtract. And then here we are going to put subtract again. And then we're going to put the same thing, but now it's going to be a minus sign. And then we'll do the same thing, but now it will be multiply. With the X sign. And then we're going to put multiply here. Then we're going to put button 4 as division. And then we can put division here again. Put brackets. And then to get the division sign, you can either search division or just calculator. And then you can copy the divide sign. You can click option and where the question mark is, like here. If I do that, and if I do shift, come like a question mark. So if I do option, it will come like this. And then you put the ending bracket. And then I'm going to put 3 text inputs. One right there, another one right there. And you're going to make it small. Like that. And then you're going to put another one. Going to do it as the same size as what you did for this. and we're going to put it as 95. 95, and height will stay the same because it's the same already. And then this will make it a bit long, just like that. And then we'll type in results. And then we'll put in as result with that a colon, and here you will put it as text input 1 and here as text input 2. So once you've done that, it will look just like this. So now we're going to go to code, and if you like, you could color it. So I am going to color the background as blue, or how about I just go with the lighter like orange. Is this light or orange? Nope, just the same. Or how about I just go with the red? And then subtract, I am going to go with this green. And then this one I am going to go with blue. And for division, I am going to go with I'll leave it at the same. So now we're going to go to code. We'll put an on event block. We'll put it as the red block, add, and we'll type it add over here where the function is, and then we'll put set text id as result, and text will go to math, get a addition sign, go back to UI controls and put in get number plus get number, and then you're going to put it as text input 2 and text input 1. So now let's try it out. So I am going to put 18 added by 4, which will be 22. Then you're going to do the same thing, except now it will be subtract, click subtract after something just like that, and add, and then you're going to do set text result, and then you're going to get a subtraction sign, put it there, go to get number in UI controls, get 2 of them like for add, and then you put text input 1 and text input 2. Why is it not working? Just give me 1 second. are going to close it, go to code.org again, go to projects, click calculator app, and then you're going to put in text input 1, so now it works. Text input 1 and text input 2. So now let's see the results. I input 21 minus 1 is 20. Yes, that's correct. So now we'll do multiply. So I can multiply over here. And then you're going to put set number, set text, get the multiply sign, which will be a star. A star. Then you're going to put get number times get number, result, text input 1, text input 2, then you're going to get another on event block, type in division, click division, divide, and then you're going to get a set text, and then you're going to put it as a result, and then you're going to get a division sign, which is the slash, and then you'll put in get number like the others, put in division and division. So text input 1, text input 2, and then you're going to run and see what 20 times 10 is. 20 times 10 is going to be 200, yes. 20 divided by 10 is going to be 2. Subtracted by 10 is going to be 10. Add is going to be 30. So everything works. That's the end of the video, guys.